Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to show you the trick to using two different colors of Caesar Puff Metallic on the same shirt, because here's the thing. You've got one shot to press them and they need to be pressed at the same time. So how are you going to do that? I got you. Let's go. Okay, you're going to first start off by cutting both layers of the Caesar Puff. So I am using two different shades of pink. One is like a rose, one is more like a bolder, brighter pink. I think they're super cute. I'm going to put them on the same shirt so that I can make this cute little New Year's shirt. So while one was cutting, I was weeding the other one. By the way, this design is from So Fancy. I will throw the link to it in the description below. Now, here's the thing. Once they are both weeded, I like to put them both together. Now, the thing that's really important is you cannot have the carrier sheets covering each other where there is HTV. So see that little spot there? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna clip it out, because if you leave it like that, the carrier sheet is going to get stuck under the HTV, or the HTV is gonna get stuck between the two pieces of carrier sheet, and you can't have that. But you also have to set this up in a way that you can press them both at the same time. So it's okay if carrier sheet and carrier sheet are on top of each other, you just can't have any HTV. Now you can see I'm trimming this super, super close because this design is very close to itself. The two different layers are going to be very close to each other. I have to be very particular about how this is positioned. And once I get it on the shirt, I'm probably going to have to trim it even more. So here's what it is going to look like. As you can see, it has the two layers. This is not perfect. I didn't obviously line it up yet. So 280 on your heat press for 8 seconds. Now here's what I like to do. Fold my design in half so that I get I can get a middle crease there. So I just basically can line that up with the tag of the shirt. And then if I do that on the other color of the puff as well, I will make sure that those are aligned. So I'm going to put the first one down. You can kind of see where I clipped out where the high part of that second word is going to go. And what is going to happen here, you're going to see that I need to kind of peel it down. I need to cut a little bit more, or you can move the design down, but I really wanted it to be close together because it's basically all one sentiment. So once this is ready, I'm then going to use my carrier sheet. In this case, I just used a piece of butcher paper, and I'm going to press for 8 seconds. So once we do this, it is not going to puff at all. Okay, you're going to open this up. You're going to wait until it's a warm peel. You're going to peel it off, and you're going to be like, and what now? Well, this was just basically the tack down. So you need to let this cool so that you can get a warm peel. Okay, it's not a hot peel and it's not a cold peel. I am just using like a little towel that I had sitting around to kind of absorb some of the heat to, speed up this process. Once that's ready, then I'm going to peel it off. Now, if your HTV wants to come with a carrier sheet, it's not cool enough yet, so just put it back down. This was obviously fine. I'm trying to get it at an angle where you can see that right now there is no dimension to it, okay? Now, next thing I'm gonna do, recover it again with that same butcher sheet and press again, same temperature, 280, another 8 seconds. And when this opens up, this heat press opens up at the end of this press, this is where you're gonna see that 3D puff effect. So just close the heat press. Again, same type of pressure between medium and firm, and 8 seconds is all you need on this. You definitely don't want to overheat it because then it starts to get wrinkly. And here you go, you're gonna see it has puffed up. I was trying to get this in slow-mo. I was trying to get it so you could actually see it happening. It does it basically while it's heating. But you can see that it has some dimension there. It obviously has some glitter because this is metallic as well. I love how this came out for, this time of year when you are looking for, just a little extra. This is perfect.